I found a wolf spawning area here in Red Dead Redemption. Let me show you where it's at. Right about there. Near Lake Don Julio by Riley's Charge. Between that area where the roads are, there's a lot of wolves. I found a rabbit. Wolves just kept spawning there and coming at me and trying to kill me, and I actually helped a lady that was getting hurt. I helped her out and I killed the wolves. Got some fame, you know, the usual stuff, but the wolves keep spawning here, so guys, you should just check it out, like, subscribe, whatever. If you don't like the video, I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching.